Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the base game, any required DLC, and a playable save. Once done, complete the initial hub missions to unlock free play. This opens character selection and story replay. Next, head straight to the red brick shop and make sure character unlocks are enabled. You do this because free play plus red brick access lets you spawn, purchase, or trigger characters that are otherwise locked, saving time versus farming story progression. Once you're in free play, open the character wheel at a hub or vehicle lot. This is where you pick or spawn characters. You should then search the licensed characters category for Lightning McQueen. He's listed separately from Incredibles cast. If he's grayed out, make sure you bought or activated the character via red brick or DLC toggle, then use the spawn character option. You do this because spawning bypasses long unlock chains and puts McQueen in the world immediately for missions. Or to finish, enter vehicle mode and select Lightning McQueen as your driver. Practice controls briefly so you know turning and boost behavior. Once satisfied, save the game to lock the character into your profile. If McQueen doesn't appear, reload an earlier save, double-check that DLC and red brick options are active, then restart the game. Often that alone resolves missing spawn issues. If it still fails, re-download content or rebuild the save to clear corrupted unlock flags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.